Hi, this is Vincent Yu from C21 Soul Team.
And Lana Win. Welcome to our latest listing.
This home is at 1585 Mount Herman.
And it features 1,050 square feet with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, updated kitchen, as well as updated bathrooms. Welcome and take a look inside.
So as you can see, I'm in this amazing kitchen. It's been upgraded recently with quartz countertops as well as new kitchen cabinets and features a gas stove. All of the bedrooms feature tasteful upgrades such as new laminate floors, new baseboards, and double pane windows. Even the other bedrooms feature a walk-in closet. The shower stall has been upgraded, featuring new tile with accent backsplash, as well as a new vanity and new toilets. The backyard features a fully built deck, along with privacy with no neighbors to the rear of you that are looking in. The backyard also has a nice storage shed. The property also gets Robert Sanders Elementary School, which has a 755 API score. The property is also walking distance to Mount Pleasant High School, which is home to the Cardinals.
My favorite about this house is the deck. It's open, it's wide, and it's just finished. Very easy to entertain.
Great.
Hey guys, we got an offer.
Is there no contingency?
No contingencies.
Oh.
Wow.
Wow.
Just 5 days.
Yep.
Sold! Yeah.